Other one. I still want.
No, I'm talking about the syrup. Okay. Thank you.
Idiots, right?
Idiots. I know. Idiots.
Oh yeah, I gotta move all.
Oh,
that
it's
shit.
in French. French Canadian, maybe.
Yeah, because it's from like
Canada.
East.
That part's done. Now I just gotta put a light in this panel. Now, let's see. Well, I like silicone.
Jeffrey,
Kyle,
how
I'm
about
gonna go heat mine.
grab yourself a
Waffle.
blue waffle.
A blue waffle?
No. Don't Google that, by the way.
I won't.
somebody's got a case of the Mondays? Lights. So we can drill those and then pull them down, the panels. And run some wires.
Yeah.
And then do 2 over the bench, which we're 48 off the wall. I think we're 18 on the back here, right?
Yeah.
And then 48 off there is the end, so we can kind of figure out center. Do 2 there, and then 2 over there, and then we'll do a strip down the center. That's a different line.
That's not going to be in these ceiling panels. It's going to be added to the ceiling after things wrapped or what? Like
Something,
an
yeah.
accent.
Yeah.
I might build the wall underneath it and have it, and then just put a filler piece up so you can access the, because if the wall goes floor to ceiling there and it's solid, then you'll never be able to access the AC.
Right.
With the wood backer on the TV, so you can, and that'll be that.
We just have to figure out how to attach the TV after the fact. There's gonna have to be like 4 screw holes to be able to undo a panel. Because you can't get
There's
in.
not gonna be a wall there.
do a hinge.
You gotta- So, do you want the wall under that?
No, just go straight up. We'll cut a hole in the back where the TV goes. It'll be fine. You know what I mean? And we get those panels screwed on.
Alright.
That's what I would do. Because we have to start from the front to go to the back to figure out where that ends up. And then we can mark our lights once you put this wall in, and we know where that wall is, because then we'll know where that sits to find center of the couches and everything. You know what I mean?
Here,
Boom. It's like a normal 12 bunk here, right? It's called a corporate retreat bus. There's a pair of them. Well, it's hard to see here. But this is set up like a 12 bunk bathroom. Right? 12 bunk kitchen, lounge. Double refrigerators here. Then you have your whole front lounge, microwave, closet space. Yeah, so we're gonna be converting these back into 12 bunks But like the front's actually in pretty good shape, apart from the long runner rug, which we need to throw away, but okay, those still look pretty nice. But then back here is what they converted. They took out 12 bunks and made this couches. And it's just kind of like a lounge for executive style. A bunch of TVs back there. Pretty cool setup. It's cold in here, man.
Oh, I don't want to be part of that.
Oh,